Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, we are gonna talk about 5 palettes for summer, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. First things first, I didn't film this eye look, but I will list down below everything that I have on my face. I do have in front of me all of these 5 palettes, and I must say they are pretty different. I do recommend these palettes for all seasons, of course, but I will let you know why I think they are perfect for summer. Okay, let's start with the weirdest one, I think, and this one is the Natasha Denona Mini Retro, and it looks something like this. This is my favorite mini palette. Is so beautiful. The formula in here, it's amazing. And you have these pinks and this amazing topper. But let me explain why I consider this one a good summer palette, because it screams maybe autumn, so not summer for sure, but hear me out. This pinky shade in here is so stunning, and you can use these two and create a pinky look, and this is the shimmer. I do consider pinky shades pretty summery, but that is only one look. Then you can use this shade. This shade on its own, all over the lid, or maybe with this matte or without it, doesn't matter. This in the sun will look so stunning. It will glimmer everywhere. And for the summer nights as well, it will look amazing. So I could choose this palette for summer just because of this shade. And then we have these two grayish, greenish shades. Again, for a night out and to create a smoky eye with these two, I think it will look amazing. So I do consider this a gray palette for summer. But let's move on, because I just explained 3 looks with a 5 pan palette, so I need to move on. The next one is the Alice in Wonderland by Beauty Bay, and this is a small palette as well. This is a 6 pan and it looks something like this. This is a more obvious one. It's just a very colorful and fun palette. I do really like the quality from here, and you can just add the yellow in your inner corner and do a very neutral look, and you have a pop of color for summer. So I think this palette is just amazing. You can do any of these shades on your lower lash again, and a neutral eye on the lids. And it has this amazing bone shade in here. It's very pigmented and creamy, and I do really like this one. So you can do a lot of looks and a lot of pops with this palette. And then I need to include the ABH Nouveau in here, just based on this purple, and I could include it, but this is similar to the retro. The color story, it's just extended, but it's a similar idea. But you can do a lot of neutral looks, but you have this shade that is more colorful, but again, it's a more neutral color story with a twist. You have some greens that are really amazing colors, and again, you have this purple in here just for a pop if you want to do a full purple look, or just to add a pop of color. And you can use this one in your inner corner as well for a pop. So I do really like this palette. The quality is impeccable, and I think it will be a very fun palette for summer. The next one is a more colorful palette, and is the Lost in Los Angeles from BH Cosmetics. I'm very happy that BH did a sneak peek with some newer stuff. I'm very excited about that, because this formula is amazing, and I hope, even though they were bought by Makeup Revolution, I hope they are still using this amazing formula, because it is impeccable. And this is a more pastel-y color story, and it has this amazing white. I did reach into this palette to use this white a bunch of times, and I just love this palette so much. Like I said, the quality in here, it's so stunning, and I do like the shimmers as well. If you want a pastel palette, this is amazing, and I could have picked the Natasha Denona one, but this one is better, so I want to recommend it. Last palette in here is the Oden Hela palette. Last time I checked, it was still available. So look at this color story. It's so stunning. I really love it. I do have a broken mirror, but the product itself, it's so amazing. and you have these yellowy tones and these pinks. For me, they scream summer, and if you want something very summery, in my opinion, just try a pink and a yellow look. It will be amazing. I do really love the quality of this palette, and similar again to the retro, you can use this black shade and do a dark smoky eye for the night out, and it will look so stunning. I really like this palette and I'm very happy that I bought it. And this is my fifth and last palette. I do really recommend all of these. They are really good quality. We have a more shorter video here, but I did really want to film this one. And yeah, so if you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.